Did it open the door? I've never seen that before.
You did it, Spark! Mission almost complete. Today will be fun! I want a giant pizza! We'll see, sweeties. Let's get there first.
Stay close, kids. This place is huge.
Did you see that? The cart moved. Hello, Emma. What? How do you know my name?
It's leaving! Follow it! Don't lose it! I'm trying!
Faster!
Kids, this area is restricted.
We're just looking at that cart.
Did it open the door? I've never seen that before.
Spark! There you are.
You know this cart?
This is Spark,
Spark?
the smartest shopping cart we ever built. Can it really think? Yes, Spark learns every day.
Spark disappeared again.
I'm still trying to understand why.
Customers are asking questions.
What's happening?
That's strange.
Did Spark find something?
Mission incomplete.
Mission? I've never seen this before.
Something is wrong.
What's happening?
Mission incomplete.
Spark is leaving!
Stop that cart! Hey! Come back! Did that cart just move by itself?
Where is it going?
I don't know.
Why is that cart following us?
Please, help me!
What's going on?
Mom, look behind us!
No way! It's Spark! It followed us all the way home. Why would it do that? Mission incomplete. What mission? Help needed. Cool. Is that a robot? I've never seen anything like it. What's that place? Supplies. Forgotten. What does that mean?
Spark knows where it's going. This is awesome! Let's stay together.
Nobody comes here. This place closed years ago. We shouldn't be here. Did Spark open the door? I think it did. Look at all this. There are hundreds of boxes. These donations were meant to help families.
Then why were they forgotten?
Mission, help people. We have to help. You're right. You're right. Let's tell everyone. Everyone needs to know. Oh! The supplies have finally been found.
There is so much here.
We can help everyone.
Spark led them here. It completed its own mission.
You did it, Spark! Mission almost complete.
Look at everyone helping. Spark made this happen.
Spark's battery is almost empty. It may shut down forever.
Please don't leave us. Mission almost complete.
Everyone has enough now. This town will never forget today. Mission complete. Thank you, Spark.
It's time for Spark to come home.
Already? Can Spark stay with us?
I wish it could.
I wish it could.
Friends forever.
We'll never forget you. It remembered everything.
And it changed all of us.
Another mission?
Help needed. Final destination located. Let's go. Why did we come here?
Memory.
Hidden. Spark protected these memories.
So nobody would forget.
Goodbye, Spark.
Friendship lasts forever. Sometimes the smallest helper can change an entire town.
And maybe Spark is still helping someone today.
Hi, friends! Please like and subscribe to Emma Easy English for more fun stories. Thank you, friends. Bye!